Welcome to our 25 days of Christmas home tour series here at Living It Country. Today we have Margie back. She is from the account The Old House on Main, and you have probably seen her home in many magazines. She is absolutely fabulous and so inspiring. I'm so excited to be featuring her cozy Christmas home. She lives in an 1890s Utah home. It's absolutely stunning. So without further ado, let's welcome her here today and tour her Christmas home tour.
Hey Holly, thanks again for including me in your Christmas home tours this year. Welcome to my home.
I hope you all enjoyed today's Christmas home tour. Let me know your favorite part in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in our next tour. Bye.